My name is Michael. If you have been thinking about breaking into tech as a product manager but you do not have any technical background, then this video is for you. I work with professionals and I want to share some of the clear steps that you can make and use to transition into tech to make things less overwhelming. The first thing is for you to understand is that product management is not only about writing codes or having one technical degree or the other. At the center of it, it's about understanding users, solving their problem, and working with teams to deliver solutions. Many of the successful product managers we have today in the industry, they come from different backgrounds as business, marketing, operation, or even teaching. What matters most is how you can bring your perspective into building products that people need. The second step is for you to learn is how to understand the language of products. You need to understand how products are built, the role of designer in the process, the role of engineering and data, and how to align this function toward a shared goal. You do not need to be the expert in all these areas, but you need to be comfortable working with experts and asking the right questions. This makes your transition very smooth. The third step you need to take on this of is building proof of experience. Employers and startups want to see that you can apply your product thinking into practice. And this can be gotten through side projects, volunteering, working on small scale ideas. Recently, one of my clients that I helped to transition into product management was able to gather experience by helping a local business digitize their booking process. So that simple process gave her edge and skill to be able to confidently show that she could deliver the outcome that is required as a product manager. Another important step is networking with intention. Many people make this mistake of only applying to roles online, but in reality, conversations open more doors than applications. So I will encourage you to reach out to current product managers, ask about their work, share your interest in transitioning into tech, and this conversation could always lead to mentorship, referrals, and even opportunities that you might not find advertised anywhere. On the last note, you can commit to continuous learning because product management is a field where the landscape can change quickly. Even after you have landed your first role, after you have learned, you need to keep learning every day because what makes you stand out is not where you start, but your willingness to grow. Things changes very fast. So I hope this video gives you a clearer picture of how you can move into tech as a product manager even without a technical background. If you are serious about making this transition and you want clarity on how you can take the next step, I invite you to book a clarity call with me. On that call, we will map out how you can take charge of your tech journey as a product manager within the next 3 months. See you at the other side.